Welcome to the Map Awareness Challenge. Complete all objectives to win. First blood. Way to go! On to the next objective. Once you've cleared the minion wave, you can go help your teammates. An enemy has been slain. Now let's go help the farm lane. An enemy has been slain. When you're heading to help another lane,
Attack the marker.
send a signal to give your teammates a heads up.
Charge!
An enemy
Way
has
to
been
go!
slain. On to the next objective. After clearing your lane, you can go help your teammates defeat an epic monster. An ally has been slain.
How do Attack the marker.
Bond with others.
Use a long-range skill at the brush to check for enemies. An enemy has been slain. Double kill! You have slain an enemy.
Do I owe my obedience to my creator?
Way to go! On to the next objective. Keep helping the farm lane. Killing spree. Keep an eye on the mini-map. The enemy jungler could be waiting in the river. Challenge failed. No worries. Let's try again. Keep an eye on the mini-map. Executed. The enemy jungler could be waiting in the river. It's safer to travel through your jungle. When you're heading to help another lane,
Attack the marker.
send a signal to give your teammates a heads up. Way to go! On to the next objective. In the early game, try to clear the minion wave faster than your lane opponent to have more options on what to do. Let your teammates know when you're heading their way. Your team has destroyed a turret. Our high ground tower is under attack. Recall immediately to protect your crystal.
Retreat!
Your turret has been destroyed.
I just want everyone to be happy. Let's be friends!
Killing spree. Double kill. Way to go! On to the next objective. Double kill. Ace. Push with your mid lane minions and destroy the enemy crystal. Victory
Attack the
shall be
marker.
yours.
Charge!
Bond with others.
Charge!